Okay, so this question is actually surprisingly simple if you know how to do basic integration from your previous calculus course. I'm assuming the function was supposed to be 6xy to the fourth, and then the boundaries here are for x is 2 to 3, and for y is -3 to -2. So when you're looking at a double integral with constants, it's very simple. You got dx goes with ab, dy goes with cd. If it's an iterated integral, you're going to have a function f of x, f1 of x, f2 of x, so forth. Iterated means you have functions in there. This is just a basic double integral. So you take the integrand, which goes where the f of xy is, put that there. You take the 2 and 3, put that there with the dx, and the -3, -2 there with the dy. Now, if it's constant, so you can just flip them. And with the dy, you can see how I flipped the dy with the integral there. You can flip them if they're constants. You can flip them as well if it's an iterated integral with functions, but you'll have to manipulate the function to rearrange it. Then, in this case, you can simply just do each integral separately and multiply them together, basically. It's a very simple. I'm not going to go through the actual integration because that is one, there's only 5 minutes to talk on this video, and two, that it's such a simple integral to do that if you're having issues with doing the integration on this, like integrating 6x from 2 to 3, and you're in this course, then you're in trouble. You need to go back and do a lot of review, or maybe retake the previous calculus course. I don't know. This is a business calculus question, so sometimes those are structured differently. But you can when you can take these questions here, and you can type them in to verify your answer in Wolfram. You can just copy and paste them right in here, and you'll see it'll calculate the answer. I encourage that you get the answer before you attempt the solution, because the answer is not worth anything on the test. It's how you get the answer, how you get to this, how you write the solution. But anyways, I mean, this is a really, really basic double integral. The thing is, you just got to know how to plug it into the formula, and then just know that you can flip these things around. You see when I put these in here, the y to the fourth power is not included with the dx. So that's considered a constant in the relation of this integral. So that gets pulled out, and that's going to stay with the dy here. Then I integrate that, I get 15. Now the 15 is a constant because that's not related to the y. I can pull that out. Then I'm just left with the integral y to the fourth. And then that times 15 is 633. So it's a pretty basic stuff. Nothing complicated in this question, just basic arithmetic, just understanding how to set it up and knowing that if you're dealing with dx, then the y is not included in that, okay? It'll be a little different when you get to partial derivative stuff, but actually becomes simpler, so. And if you're interested in any of my fiction stories, you can go to johndt.com and listen to my audiobooks or read my ebooks if you're interested. I formerly was a mathematician. Now I am a fiction author. Have a great day.